This is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNN Live. We're at the Hard Asset Conference in San Francisco. I'm here with Lenic Rodriguez of Aurcana Corporation. We're going to do an update. It's a publicly traded company, AUN, on the TSX-V. Len, welcome to SNN Live again.
Thank you very much for having me again.
It's good to have you. Okay, you have an update, don't you?
Yes, well, the update is basically that the company is moving forward in all its properties. La Negra mine will have installed capacity of 2,500 tons per day by March, and Shafter will also have an installed ball mill of 2,500 tons per day also early next year. We'll have installed capacity at both of our properties of 5,000 tons per day. That should allow us to become a mid-tier silver producer in 2012 and organically to grow to a major silver producer in 2013.
You know, I feel like I know you when you weren't this big. And all of a sudden things have changed really rapidly.
Yes, actually, we have engineered turnaround of the company in about 2.5 years. You have to take into account that 2.5 years ago, the company's share price was 8 cents, market cap was $8 million. Today we are over $300 million in market cap and share price of about 70 cents, so it's a 9-bagger by now. So things have moved very well.
Now, what can you tell me about any changes in financing that you've gone through? Because it's not a cheap proposition to set up these mills.
No, of course not. By the way, we have just completed financing that closed in 48 hours under most challenging market conditions, and we closed for $34.5 million. So we're very pleased with that. Most of it was institutionally placed, and with the major financing houses in Canada, RBC Capital Markets, BMO Capital Markets, Dundee Securities, and Stonecap. It's syndicate of these houses.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, when it can be done, it is done. And here's a clear example of a junior mining company getting immediate injection of funds by major banks in Canada. So they said it couldn't be done. We're here to tell you it can be done, correct?
It was done.
It was done. So you're going to have 5 tons processed.
5,000 tons per day.
5,000 tons, I'm sorry.
Processing capability as of March of next year.
That puts you in cash flow by when?
Oh, we are already cash flowing. We are going to be making about $25 million from our mining operations in La Negra alone, and north of $100 million next year with both mines operating at not yet their full capacity.
And ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be able to say that I knew Len when.
Lenny.
I knew Lenny when. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the website before we go.
Sounds good. Thank you very much for having me.
What's your website?
Aurcana.com.
That's easy. AURCANA.com. Lenny, I want to thank you for coming on to SNN Live. It's always good to have you.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.